Guys, I'm Tanishq and today I'm going to make origami shirts. You need a rectangular paper. Then fold it into half. Now you can see this middle line. Fold this part to the middle line. Do it from the other side also. Now fold this again into a half like this. Now open it. Now you can see this middle line over here. Now fold it like this. That much you have to open it, how much it can open. Do it also from the other side, from only one side. Now you can see this part. Now fold it back. Then fold this a little part back. Turn it over. Now take this part and touch it to the middle line. It will be slant. It should be slanting. Do it also from the other side. Now, see this part? Now, put it like this under this collar. You can see this collar. Put it under this collar. And your shirt is ready. For decorating, you could put some beads on it for the buttons. And your shirts are ready. Bye guys. Please like and subscribe.